Let's make one of my favorite comfort meals, cheesy potato pancakes with turkey. Now for this recipe, you want to start with cold mashed potatoes if possible. If you're making them fresh, just be sure to let them cool completely before using them. But it's best if you can make them the day before or use leftover mashed potatoes. If you need to cook the potatoes, just wash them and then chop them into large, even-sized chunks and cover them with water. Bring the water to a boil and then gently boil them for about 10 to 20 minutes or until they're soft when poked with a fork. Drain them well and then move them to a medium-sized bowl and mash them up. Then cover and place in the refrigerator until you're ready to use them. Now that our potatoes are cold, we're going to mix everything together. First, grab a small bowl and beat 2 eggs. Make sure your other ingredients are also ready to go. First, pour the eggs over the potatoes and mash those in together. Now add all the rest of the ingredients, your salt, pepper, garlic powder, diced turkey, cheese, and flour. You can use your hands or a fork to mix everything together until it forms like a nice, slightly sticky dough just like this. And now for the fun part, shaping the pancakes. We're going to grab about 2 big spoonfuls of the mixture and press it together and flatten it slightly into a thick patty, just like this. Mine are usually about 1.5 inches thick and 3.5 inches wide, but I just measured for the purposes of this recipe. Don't stress about making them perfect. Lay some parchment paper on the counter and place each patty on it until you're ready to fry them. Heat a couple tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once it's hot, you're going to carefully place the pancakes in the pan using a spatula. You don't want to overcrowd them, so I usually cook about 3 to 4 in a large skillet. Let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, flipping them once they turn a really nice golden brown on one side. And there you have it. These little papas are ready to go. Crispy, cheesy, and so good. Just move them to a plate lined with a paper towel to let them sit for a minute and then serve. I personally love these with some sour cream, Greek yogurt, or fresh salsa. If you give these a try, come back and comment over here and let me know what you think. Subscribe so you don't miss more of our favorite family recipes.